Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails for Dentists. Dentistry has a ways to go in the email marketing field. According to a recent benchmark email report, only 20% of North American dental practices engage in email marketing. 37% of dentists say they want to start email marketing. 53% of practices that use email marketing have fewer than 500 subscribers. 13% average open rates, lower than most industries. 2.9% average click-through rates, lower than most industries. The numbers might sound bad, but the news is good for you. There is a tremendous opportunity for email marketing in your field. An email list is more than a database of your contacts. It's a list of subscribers eagerly awaiting your next move. There's no other tool that allows you to stay in touch with your existing clients and potential leads, drive sales, and improve your customer loyalty all at the same time. Email marketing can help you retain your current patients and simplify by reminding them that you exist. Just the act of consistent communication can boost referrals and increase the chances of first-time patients coming in for a second visit. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how you ever survived without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.